I'm out here looking at my seedlings and giving them a little spritzy. Look what I just noticed. In this bin, now this is my cold bin. We've got the larkspur, delphiniums, and lupins. And in the middle of this bin, shouldn't say the middle, but off to the side, middle. Probably spotted already. There he is. Got our first sprout of this bin, lupin number 1. Woohoo! Awesome. Don't think there's anything else yet, but hey, I'm happy something's sprouting from this bin. It means we've got sprouts in every bin we've seeded so far. Sweet. Good deal if you ask me. Okay, so what I think that means is I've got to take that lupin, it's popping out of here, I've got to take him out of there, because this bin normally remains covered until I have more sprouts. So I think because he's sprouting up now, I'm going to pull him. I'm going to put him into one of these packs. I'm going to fill this up with my seed starting mix. And then we're going to pull this little sucker out, plop him in there. Hopefully he'll be okay, but I'm under the impression he needs light as soon as he sprouts, so we're going to give him light. Let's see, so we've got one little lupin. I don't know where you're going to be able to see it. Oh, maybe I have to put him this way. Okay, we got one little lupin right down in here. We're going to get him and put him in one of those packs. This is what I need. Okay. Right here. Just side. Got my handy dandy skewer. Put him right in the middle here. I don't know. I doubt he's got much of a stem on him. Much of a root, I should say. But we'll see. You guys see him here? Oh, yep. He's just a little stick. There we go. Get him out. Show you. Just a little guy. And what we'll do, so I'm going to make sure to have my blunt object here. Old toothbrush. Oh, see, now I've closed up my hole before I got him down in there. Let's try this again. Start with a new hole. Now that I know how big he is. There we go. Get you upright, little buddy. Squish him down in there. The only reason I'm using the toothbrush is because dirt sticks to my finger too much. feel like it doesn't stick to this thing. It's easier to get this around the objects too. Fingers are a little clumsy sometimes. There we go. Nice and squished down. That dirt was semi-moist. I'll probably give him a little spritz. Might as well do that right now. Got it here. I don't do that with everyone, but this guy's so early on in his sprouting, I don't think it's gonna hurt anything. Give him a little extra. Not to mention that dirt could use a little moistening up. But as the rest of those sprout out of here, which I think I saw one with a tail on it, but as soon as those sprout, they'll be going in this bin with them. Just gotta get my labels. I'll label them up here. Let's just keep that right on there. Boom. We've got Lupine. Now in. Take a bit of tape. Squish it down there. There we go. Labeled. He is going to go in this bin right over here. There he is, his new home. Little Lupine bean. And get these lights back down into place. Get these guys covered back up. Good to go. Hey, the lights just shut off out here, so I was gonna take the seedlings inside, but I went to check on this lupine that we just transplanted. It's been about like 3 or 4 hours. Now it's dark and the lights just shut off for the day, but come take a look at them really quick. Look at him, he's trying to shed his seed coating there. But yeah, he's plumping right up. He's loving being in there. Very nice. Look at him from over here. That's cool. Alrighty. Until next time.